Connecting Printify to a Shopify store is a straightforward process that allows you to easily integrate print-on-demand products into your online store. To start, you need to have a Shopify store and a Printify account. First, log into your Printify account and navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Connect to Store button and select Shopify from the available options. You will be redirected to the Shopify App Store where you need to install the Printify app. After installing the app, you will be asked to authorize Printify to access your Shopify store. This is a necessary step to allow Printify to sync products and fulfill orders. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to the Printify dashboard where you can configure the integration settings. Here, you can choose which products to sync, set up shipping options, and configure other settings as needed. Next, you need to add Printify products to your Shopify store. To do this, navigate to the Printify product catalog and select the products you want to add. Click on the Add to Store button and the products will be synced to your Shopify store. When a customer places an order, Printify will automatically fulfill the order and ship the product directly to the customer. You can track the order status and view fulfillment details in your Shopify store. Best practices for connecting Printify to a Shopify store include regularly syncing products, monitoring order fulfillment, and optimizing product listings for better sales. By following these steps, you can easily integrate Printify with your Shopify store and start selling print-on-demand products.